Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. So get this, a single person lost $150 million in crypto. How? It all goes back to the huge LastPass breach from 2022. And the cause was tiny. Yep, the whole thing kicked off on a single senior engineer's personal home computer. The attacker used a keylogger. It's nasty malware that secretly records every single thing you type. The way in? An old, unupdated Plex media server. That's how they captured the master password.
And that one password? Well, that was the only key they needed to start the domino effect.
First, it unlocked a corporate vault packed with the company's most sensitive credentials. And inside that vault, the decryption keys for LastPass's cloud backups, the keys to the entire kingdom. With those keys, the hackers just copied everything. We're talking millions and millions of customer vaults. This gave them offline access. They could guess passwords millions of times a second without anyone knowing. So what were they looking for? Crypto seed phrases, the ultimate master key to someone's crypto wallet. And they found them. At first, researchers tied over $35 million in theft to this breach. But because the hackers had the data, the attacks just kept happening for years after the breach. Okay, scary stuff. But how do you actually defend yourself against a silent threat like this? Keep your software updated, use a super strong master password, and please never store seed phrases online. Look, nothing is ever perfectly secure. The whole point is to build layers. Make yourself a difficult target. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.